Hey guys, today we're gonna make sausage balls. I don't know anybody that doesn't love a good sausage ball. In the past, I've made them a million times, but two issues. They're usually a little on the dry side and they take forever to mix up by hand. You can't mix it with a spoon. Well, I've been seeing all over the internet lately two tricks that I think is probably going to solve that problem. Trick number one, we're going to mix it in our stand mixer with our dough hook. So we hope that works. I've seen that trick. And the other trick is put cream cheese in it and make it with Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix instead of Bisquick. Okay, y'all, so let's put this together and see how they turn out. This is going to be super easy. Dump and go. So I'm going to dump in my cream cheese. Ideally, you want it kind of room temperature. I just stuck mine in the microwave for a few seconds. Now you're going to put in a pound of sausage. I'm using Jimmy Dean regular. You can use hot, sage, I guess, whatever you want to use. So now I'm going to dump in my whole bag of my Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix. And we're putting in the little seasoning packet. And now you're going to want to put in about a cup to a cup and a half of shredded cheese. I'll probably do a little bit more on the cup and a half side just because we like it cheesy. And I'm just going to eyeball it. That's it, y'all. So let's put our dough hook in and see how it mixes up. Okay, y'all, that did a good job. I did go back in and add just a little bit more shredded cheese because I felt like it didn't look cheesy enough to me. So, all right, so let's get them rolled up into balls. I think I'm gonna make my life a little bit easier and I'm gonna use a cookie scoop. So I've got about half of them, and what I did was I just scooped them out and put them on my pan. Now I'm going to go back in and roll them in balls instead of going back and forth. Hey. So far I've made 30 of them and I still have more batter left. So I'm going to go ahead and bake these at 400 degrees. You're going to want to bake them until maybe about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of your sausage balls. You just want to keep a check on them. And when they're golden brown and delicious, they're done. So I'll check back. Okay, guys, here they are. Those look so good. Mine ended up making 45 balls. I still have some in the oven. And mine cooked for exactly 15 minutes. So now for the taste test. Look how moist they are. Ooh. Hot. Those are good. They are not dry at all. Y'all, these are so good. Yep, I think I'm gonna start making them this way from here on out. So, hope you guys try it. Let me know if you do. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.